Hello.
Hello. Yeet! Hello, everybody. It is the Bearded Practitioner and me, K-Face. Oh, wrong thing. Caden, and my bench is way too close. And we're doing an unboxing today. Here's the unboxing. We got the package. We got the brand new scissors that are sharpened. Daddy's going to open this for us today. Here's the pun of the day. And this pun is not true whatsoever. So my dad farted in an elevator. The fart was next level.
Oh, goodness gracious. Wow. Where's this from, Caden?
Let me check. It is from the beard guy. Miami?
Mm-hmm. Where's Miami?
Miami.
Miami.
Iowa.
Where is Miami? You really don't know?
I don't know. I thought it was in Iowa.
Flunk.
Iowa? I thought it was! Don't blame me!
It's Florida. It has FL. Look.
I didn't read that.
I know you didn't. Oh.
Hey,
do you think that this is very secure?
Well, the scissors do it. The sharpened scissors.
Oh, will it?
If the scissors don't do it, nothing can.
Got it.
Because these scissors have been sharpened.
Ooh, look at all that goodness. Here, you want to take it out now?
Hey, Dad.
So his website, what's his website? So his website is...
Yes?
Uh-oh.
Ooh.
Oh, what just happened? It just happened.
Big fail.
You think
Level 100.
fail? No. That is not true.
Soaps.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
So
for this small package, there's actually so much.
What's the website, Caden?
Bearded Profrost.
No.
Wait.
I don't even know what you were reading.
No, I was reading that thing up there.
Yeah, that's not it.
Oh, I'm sad.
The bearded... What is it?
It is making... The beard guy Miami.com. Did you know that?
It's messages.
So that's what I was reading. Like, what? And you were saying that's incorrect, and you're asking where did I get it from? I got it from that.
Oh.
Is that what I feel? I feel stickers.
Do you feel stickers?
Ooh, I think that's a car sticker.
It is kind of maybe a magnet.
Nah, it's a card sticker because look, Dad, you can see the peel.
Oh, cool.
Or no.
Ooh, that's pretty cool.
It's a magnet.
Look at the cool things.
Ooh. I got this one. Ooh, another sticker. Ooh.
What
It's
does
a
it say?
business card.
The Beard Health Specialist. The Beard Guy.
Meow.
So the story behind how I got this is that he reached out to me and said, hey, do you want to try some of my products? And I was more than happy to do so.
Band. I think it went to this.
It might have. And I said, hey, shoot me some product.
That failed.
I said...
Alright, so here's the letter. You finish up what you were saying.
Okay.
Thank you for the support. 100%, 10% off next purchase. TBG.
Very nice, the bearded guy.
The bearded guy.
Miami. Oh, and look, what does it say? You don't choose the beard. The beard chooses you.
But I don't have a beard yet.
Said this guy.
I don't have a beard yet. I'm dead.
Dead. So the cool thing about him is that he has literally all sorts of products. So
we're back.
Are you? What are you doing?
Oh no, I died. I'm back.
Okay, so what do we have here?
Sorry, my arm's itchy. We have some oils.
What is this?
Tape.
Oh. It is some tape.
My fingernails are too short.
Okay.
I tried so hard.
Okay, hold that.
Ooh. No.
Ooh, very exciting. What is this, Caden? It says the bearded guy Florian citrus. It's interesting because it's all handwritten on a label.
Alright, got it. I got it all closed up.
And then there is
a soap which says triple threat wash.
And triple threat
butter. Ooh. I've never had a liquid butter. This is gonna be cool.
Yeah, it should be interesting. I had one more.
And then we have,
what is that?
The big one. Triple threat oil.
Triple threat oil. It's the triple
and then
threat.
We yeet. And we yeet.
And then he also has soaps that he sells, which I thought was I thought that was pretty cool.
I'm a little confused.
Why are you confused?
I'm trying to open this.
Oh, is it kid-proofed?
I think it's kid-proofed.
It's kid-proofed and dad-proofed. No, it's not!
That makes me a kid.
You are 11, sir. You
True,
are 11.
I am a kid.
Okay, so let's go look at what he has. This says the triple threat.
Oh, yeah, it's 2 more.
Let's see what this is. The triple threat. It says
full hydration system.
So he has several of them. So he has, this one has the bearded guy triple threat wash butter oil. It has hemp seed oil, tea tree oil, caffeine in it.
Oil caffeine. Help hydrate your skin. Use daily for best results. Crafted in Dade Country.
Dade County.
Dade County.
Where's Dade County? I'm going to tell you that it's probably in Miami.
Oh.
So, the reason why I got this, because it was in Florida, yes.
Yes!
The reason why I got this triple threat fun, if you notice, the butter and the wash and the oil
I'm happy
is because I wanted to try this out because after the barber incident, he's eating some candy, made with hemp seed oil, tea tree oil, and caffeine, it will deeply moisturize and nourish your skin and beard. Hemp seed oil helps to improve moisture retention as well as adds elasticity to prevent.
You go. Sorry, I'm just showing them the card.
Very cool. To prevent breakage, tea tree helps with acne, adds a magnificent shine, and helps soften the beard. Caffeine adds the strengthening factor, which encourages hair growth and helps reduce hair loss. Treat yourself to a magnificent beard treatment. The results speak for themselves. So, this is what I'm going to do. So, we are going to try this for a couple weeks.
I want to try this one first. The triple threat butter. Because I've never had a butter that...
liquid?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll try some, see what it smells like.
Smell this goodness. Whoa. That's cool.
Yeah.
It smells actually... It has a lighter smell.
Yeah,
can I agree with something?
What are you going to say?
It smells like donuts.
It smells like donuts?
Yeah. Certain part of it.
Here, put it on your hand. Let's see. Oh,
it smells amazing.
Oh, that is interesting. It has like a coating.
It feels creamy.
Yeah, okay, put it. Now smell it.
Ooh, perfumey.
It is. So
I take back donuts.
Is a citrus smell.
When it's on your hand, it feels amazing and smells amazing. It's perfumey.
Oh, it's Florida citrus.
So I'm gonna put this down right here.
And let's go try the smell on the... I know what I got also.
This one.
Okay, so try that one. That should be the triple threat again. So that is what I just described.
Cologne.
You think cologne?
It's cologne. Smell that. That's cologne, right?
Kinda. I mean...
And then when you smell my hand, perfumey.
Okay. Little cologne-y, little good smell, a little clean smell.
Yeah,
nice.
They're very clean smells.
What do you think of this?
I rubbed the stuff all over my hands.
That's okay.
The only part I didn't rub it on is the...
There you go. Rub that in. What does that smell like there, sir?
More cologne-y.
Still cologne-y?
Yeah,
so
like
those are
a
all
lot
the same
more cologne-y.
smell.
It's stronger smell.
Yeah, and this one is the Florida Citrus.
Which this one, I'm pretty sure has a child safety... I forgot what they call them. Child safety thing. So, like, kids won't dump them.
Especially this kid.
Yeah, you're probably right. They did probably need that from me because I drop everything.
Okay, this one smells like what? Okay, so that is the one thing that Arizona has it as well. But what is a thing that comes from Florida that is very big? It's a produce. And this is part of it.
Can you improve it? Can you improve the question?
Can I improve? What produce comes from Florida that is very popular?
Oh, what is it?
And you drink it, and you can peel it. Oranges. So they're very big on citrus.
Ooh.
But who else also is?
You.
Arizona.
Oh.
I'm not a big on. I'm big on eating citrus.
You love oranges.
I do. I love oranges. But I also live here, which is Arizona. What is one of the 4 C's is citrus of Arizona.
The only things I knew was the Indiana River, the Pacific Ocean.
The Indiana River.
The Indiana Ocean.
The Indian Ocean?
Yeah.
That's like so far away from here. What are you even talking about?
The Pacific Ocean.
And the Atlantic.
The Atlantic.
The Gulf of Mexico.
Gulf of Mexico. Did you know that there was a huge oil spillage there? And they're still trying to clean it for today. It was in like 2008, and they're still trying to clean, and there's still mass things of it.
Okay.
Right here?
That is very interesting knowledge. So Caden's going to a science camp when? When are you going to your science camp?
March 3/5 or March 5/7. I need to find the date for that.
I mean, honestly...
I smell orange.
Yeah, that's...
It's straight orange. Let me smell it out of the bottle real quick.
Yeah.
Okay, so you just... Wait, I got it.
You did? Ooh, you did, because I didn't have it on yet.
It smells extremely orangey.
It's on orange.
It's tangerine.
So, fresh peeled orange scent, rich in tea tree, jojoba, and this is the other reason why I got this biotin.
What's biotin?
It is a vitamin that is good for beard growth, nail growth.
Ooh.
Yes, very important for that. Longer. Well, that's okay, but I want the beard to be nice and strong and healthy. Biotin and citrus kick. I'll be honest with you.
My nails are
It is a nice smell, and it says great for after the shower.
Ooh.
But you know what I really like about citrus is it's an awakening smell. So
I feel like citrus is... Or you finish what you're saying. I was going to say just something that added.
Go ahead and say about citrus. What do you got?
So citrus, I feel like it's a more clean smell, more welcoming smell. Like, I know, like, we put ours in... we put orange in that in a garbage disposer to make it smell good. And when you're just in the kitchen smells even cleaner than rotten milk. Like... I mean, like
rotten milk, yes.
Yeah.
Thank goodness.
Yeah.
This is
what I mean by it. My nephew, he leaves raw milk cups, so we dump them down the sink into the disposal because they'll come in. This is gonna be a TMI. They come into big blobs.
Right.
And
because he just leaves them around the house.
Yeah. You throw orange in it, it smells better. Like,
it does.
It's like it never was there.
That's right. It cleans up the smell. It's very healthy for you.
Mm-hmm.
All right, Caden, what else do you got?
And they're amazing.
Yes.
And they're amazing in drinks, and you can squeeze the juice out of them and drink them.
Yes, and it's a very good awakening smell.
Yes.
Okay, Caden, do you have anything else?
Oh, wait, I got something. Sorry, I'm tired.
Are you tired?
Yeah, I am. I want you guys to subscribe, to like the video, to hit the notifications, to have a great day. To have a great 3-day weekend. 3. Even though it's Sunday, so it's still 2. But